Morning, everybody. We're back with another episode, Native Ways. Got Christian over here getting all the decoys set, finishing up the blind, and got a little bit of a crosswind today. Hoping it's gonna be good. Show you all the blind here in a second. Show you all what Christian's got. He's working on, and yeah, hopefully it's a good hunt.
Right now, setting up the jerk rig. Got the pintails. I'm gonna give him a little more flash with that white on them. Gonna set that closer to the front of the hole where he kind of wanted to look at to finish. But right now we're working with this creek channel that kind of makes out a little bit of shallow area. So we're using each side of the bank as a natural funnel to get them come in with this crosswind. So they're gonna finish hopefully from the south going north, since we got a north wind. Kind of a diagonal shot, if you might say, not exactly cross but not exactly right at you, so should give us plenty of opportunity to kill them once they get in here. But if they do finish, they're gonna be within 10-15 yards, so it'd be ideal if they do what we want them to do. We got pintail, widgeon, gadwall, and teal, so a little bit of variety, but that's kind of what everything is here right now as far as species go. So we're gonna give it a whirl and see how it goes.
As far as blind goes, we're just building this kind of natural brush blind and a natural cavity on this bank. Brush all the way down this thing. It just kind of jets back, and we're just piling kind of cedar and some other stuff right here. Pretty decent little blind. About to put this cedar right here to cover this hole, and we should be in there pretty good. I'll show you what we're working with on the inside. Get in here. Nice, pretty flat area. Big old brush blind. So that cedar's gonna go there, block our hole for our doorway, and we should be good. It's blocked. So blind's looking pretty good. We just threw this big cedar kind of draping over the door. We're gonna get another one just to kind of set in place to move in and out, come around. Pretty solid. It's pretty tall. It'll be about chin level when we stand, so we should be in there pretty good. Not many holes. And then back here, Christian got it looking right. He said we're gonna throw pulsator back here.
Yeah. Pulsator right here, kind of get the ripples going out into the spread. Put another one kind of on the back side, getting more ripples in that right corner. And then one over there on that other finger, push those ripples. So we'll have ripples to the whole spread with the jerk rig too.
Jerk rig right up front. If they do it, they gonna do it.
Yeah, we got a landing strip for them, so hopefully they don't get too finicky if they don't like the way it looks, and we'll change it up as we go. But as of now, this is it.
When you build a brush blind, better than a panel blind. Look at that. Guns, beautifully propped. We got a duck stick. That's what we call it. Duck stick, duck log. We don't have a duck log, we have a duck stick.
Hole,
and look at that.
right in your mouth.
All up in your mama, some might say.
Some might say. I like that.
Very nice.
So thanks.
Right now we would say time to play the game. So far, we've seen quite a few birds. We've shot a handful of widgeon. I don't know exactly how many yet. But we got some stragglers out there. Christian's picking up that kind of sailed on us. But I think we got about a limit worth of widgeon already. We've probably seen 30 birds. Big groups of birds. Huh? Oh, those are grebes. Yeah, those ones are. But a lot of birds right at shooting light, so I couldn't really get any video of any of that, but we're doing pretty good. Been a badass hunt so far, huh?
That's one of the seasons so far.
They're kind of not wanting to decoy how we intended. The wind kind of shut down, and they're kind of making a big loop and trying to finish into this cove. They're kind of wanting further back in there, but they're pulling in to our spread, and we're killing them over the hole, but we more so intended on them to circle and finish into this funnel. they're just kind of not doing it that way. So I don't know, we might see about pulling some of these decoys this way so they can just whip in and plop down, but they're still doing it pretty good. Nice gaddy too. He's about like that one we shot last year.
Might have been yours, Candy. Check that out, dude. I think I have a fat head on him. Alright, well, let's get ready. Oh,
Hey.
God, dude.
No. While Christian was
shot one of the gadwalls, but I don't know which one.
while Christian was pulling back in, we were working more. I don't know, they might have been gadwall or widgeon. I think they were more gadwall, but here he comes. It's a good drink.
Candy with the cover shoot. Get ready, Candy. Kill him right there. Good shot.
Yeah, boy.
Good shot, brother. Get ready.
We're gonna call it there. Giving y'all kind of one last look at what we did here as far as the spread goes. Start wrapping these up. But had a good hunt. There's the blind. Haven't really showed y'all that in the sunlight. But we were in there pretty good. Got a big door on this end. But get these wrapped up and we'll show y'all how we did. It was a good hunt.
So we just finished up the hunt. Ended up doing decent. I think we got, what, 8 or 9 here. So either way, did good. Of course, when we're leaving, we got 30 birds coming over us as we're going back to the truck. But, you know, it is what it is. We had a good hunt regardless. Took what we could and ended up being good. So, heck yeah.
Not a bad day, huh?